If you believe every car must be large and costly, reconsider that idea. Today, we are diving into 15 of the most affordable microcars that are sure to amaze you. These miniature real-world vehicles clearly show that compact can be intelligent, fashionable, and unexpectedly enjoyable to drive. From advanced electric concepts to modernized classics, each model delivers something special without hurting your wallet. Whether you are an urban traveler, an eco-conscious supporter, or simply admire smart engineering, this lineup will prove how thrilling small cars truly are. Fiat Topolino Velibriquin. The Fiat Topolino Velibriquin Collector Edition represents a charming blend of Italian automotive heritage and French Riviera style. Costing €13,490, this electric microcar comes with a 5.5 kilowatt-hour battery that delivers up to 75 kilometers, roughly 47 miles of range, and a maximum speed of 45 kilometers per hour, or 28 miles per hour. Its open side structure, soft folding fabric roof, and signature marine blue and white exterior give it a relaxed beach-inspired look. Inside, details such as teak-style flooring, Velibriquin branded highlights, and even a built-in shower nozzle for rinsing after swimming enhance its coastal vibe. Produced in limited numbers and offered only in select Mediterranean regions, the Topolino Velibriquin is not just transportation. It represents a lifestyle expression on wheels. 2025 Dacia Hipster Concept. The 2025 Dacia Hipster Concept presents a fresh vision of budget-friendly urban electric mobility. Measuring only 3 meters long and 1.55 meters wide, this small EV is built to move easily through narrow city roads. Despite its compact size, it comfortably seats 4 passengers and provides up to 500 liters of luggage space when the rear seats are folded. Weighing below 800 kilograms, the Hipster is 20% lighter than Dacia's Spring EV, improving its efficiency. Its estimated driving range is around 150 kilometers, with a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour, making it ideal for everyday city travel. Priced under $15,000, it targets competition with low-cost Chinese EVs in the European market. Although still a concept, the Hipster's clean design and focus on usability indicate it could become a game-changer in the micro-EV category. City Transformer CT2. The City Transformer CT2 is an innovative electric microcar created specifically for urban use. Its most unique feature is the adjustable body width, ranging from 1 meter to 1.4 meters, allowing it to pass through tight areas and park in motorcycle spaces. Equipped with a 15 kilowatt-hour battery, it delivers a driving range between 120 and 180 kilometers and reaches a top speed of 90 kilometers per hour. Acceleration from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour takes only 5 seconds. With a price of €16,000, the CT2 blends creativity with affordability, making it an appealing option for city residents looking for eco-friendly transport. VinFast VF3. The VinFast VF3 is a compact electric car aimed at providing an affordable gateway into electric mobility. Starting at roughly $9,248 in Vietnam, the VF3 is designed to make EV ownership more accessible. It uses a 32 kilowatts electric motor, producing 110 newton meters of torque, allowing it to accelerate from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in just 5.3 seconds. The vehicle is fitted with an 18.64 kilowatt hours lithium-ion battery that offers a range of up to 210 kilometers per charge. It also supports fast charging, achieving 70% battery capacity in only 36 minutes. Its compact proportions and rear-wheel drive setup make it ideal for city driving, offering a practical and environmentally friendly mobility solution. Wuling Air EV. The Wuling Air EV is a compact electric vehicle designed to provide a budget-friendly introduction to electric mobility. With a starting price near $9,200 in Vietnam, it focuses on affordability and accessibility. It features a 32 kilowatts electric motor producing 110 newton meters of torque, enabling acceleration from 0 to 50 kilometers per hour in 5.3 seconds. Its 18.64 kilowatt hours lithium-ion battery delivers a driving range of up to 210 kilometers on a single charge, supported by fast charging that allows 10 to 70% recharge in 36 minutes. The vehicle's small size and rear-wheel drive configuration make it suitable for urban conditions, offering a practical and eco-conscious transportation option. Additionally, the Air EV supports rapid charging, reaching 70% battery capacity within 36 minutes. Sherry QQ Ice Cream. The Sherry QQ Ice Cream is a fashionable and economical electric microcar built for city life. Featuring a compact 3-door, 4-seat layout, it provides usability without sacrificing visual appeal. Powered by a 27 horsepower electric motor, it reaches a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour and comes with multiple battery options, offering ranges of 120 kilometers, 155 kilometers, or up to 205 kilometers depending on the version. Prices begin at around $4,600, making it one of the most affordable EVs available in China. Its adorable design, efficient performance, and low price make it an attractive option for urban drivers seeking an eco-friendly transport solution. Fiat Topolino. The Fiat Topolino is a charming electric quadricycle created for city mobility. With a starting price of about €7,544 in Italy, it provides a cost-effective entry into electric transportation. Powered by a 6-kilowatt, 8-horsepower electric motor and a 5.5-kilowatt battery, the Topolino reaches a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour, or 28 miles per hour, and offers a range of up to 75 kilometers, or 47 miles on a full charge. Its compact size and lightweight build make it perfect for maneuvering through city streets and tight parking spots. Classified as a quadricycle, it can be driven by individuals as young as 14 in certain countries with a moped license. With its retro-inspired look and eco-friendly features, the Fiat Topolino is a practical and delightful option for urban commuters seeking sustainable mobility. Sherry Little Ant. The Sherry Little Ant is a small electric vehicle recognized for its affordability and practicality. Priced between $10,600 and $11,300, it provides an accessible entry into electric driving. Equipped with a 36-kilowatt electric motor, it reaches a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour and offers multiple battery choices, including 24 kilowatt hours, 25.1 kilowatt hours, and 28.9 kilowatt hour LFP batteries, delivering a range between 251 kilometers and 301 kilometers on a full charge. It supports DC fast charging, allowing a 30 to 80% recharge in about 40 minutes. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for city use, offering a practical and environmentally friendly transportation solution. Leapmotor T03. The Leapmotor T03 is a compact electric vehicle that delivers excellent value for urban driving. Starting at £14,495 in the UK, it ranks among the most affordable EVs in Europe. It is powered by a 70-kilowatt, 94-horsepower electric motor, enabling acceleration from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 12.7 seconds. Its 37.3 kilowatt-hour battery provides a WLTP range of 165 miles, or 165 kilometers, making it suitable for daily commutes and city errands. Inside, the T03 features a 10.1-inch touchscreen, adaptive cruise control, and a panoramic sunroof, offering a premium feel at an entry-level price. While its compact size makes it perfect for tight city spaces, buyers should note that boot capacity is limited. Overall, the Leapmotor T03 stands as a strong choice for those seeking an affordable and well-equipped electric city car. Fiat 500e. The Fiat 500e is a compact electric car that blends classic Italian styling with modern electric efficiency. Priced from approximately $32,500, it offers a convenient entry into the EV market. Equipped with a 42 kilowatt-hour battery and a 118 horsepower motor, the 500e reaches a top speed of 94 miles per hour and delivers an EPA estimated range of up to 149 miles, making it suitable for daily urban commuting. Charging is made easy with DC fast charging that adds 31 miles of range in just 5 minutes and reaches 80% charge in 35 minutes. Inside, the 500e includes a 10.25-inch touchscreen, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with advanced safety features such as automatic emergency braking and lane keeping assist. Its compact size and responsive handling make it ideal for city streets and tight parking areas. Overall, the Fiat 500e delivers a stylish and practical electric driving experience for city dwellers. Wuling Baojun Yep EV. The Wuling Baojun Yep EV is a compact electric SUV that mixes retro character with modern efficiency. Priced between $10,000 and $12,000, it offers an affordable route into electric mobility. Powered by a 50-kilowatt electric motor, it achieves a top speed of 100 kilometers per hour and provides a range of up to 303 kilometers on a full charge, making it suitable for city commuting and short journeys. Its 28.1 kilowatt hours battery supports fast charging, reaching 80% capacity in about 35 minutes. The Yep EV's compact size and distinctive design make it a standout choice for buyers seeking a stylish yet practical electric vehicle. Mitsubishi Delica Mini. The Mitsubishi Delica Mini is a K car that combines compact dimensions with rugged SUV-inspired styling. Priced between $12,000 and $15,000, it offers an affordable entry into the micro SUV category. Under the hood, it features a 660cc engine producing 52 horsepower, providing sufficient power for urban and suburban driving. Its small size makes it ideal for navigating narrow city roads and parking in crowded areas. The Delica Mini comes equipped with modern features, including advanced safety systems and a comfortable interior, making it a practical option for daily use. Its unique appearance and efficient performance make it a standout in the micro car segment. Squad Solar City Car. The Squad Solar City Car is a compact solar-assisted electric vehicle designed for urban commuting. Priced at $6,250, it provides an affordable entry into electric mobility. Equipped with 4 swappable 1.6 kilowatt-hour battery packs totaling 6.4 kilowatt-hours, it delivers a driving range of up to 100 kilometers or 62 miles on a full charge. Its rooftop solar panels can add up to 22 kilometers or 13.6 miles of range per day depending on sunlight. The vehicle weighs around 350 kilograms or 772 pounds and uses dual 2-kilowatt rear motors. With a top speed of 45 kilometers per hour or 28 miles per hour, it is classified as an L6E quadricycle in Europe, requiring only a moped license in some areas. The Squad Solar City Car is ideal for short city trips, offering a sustainable and cost-effective alternative to conventional vehicles. MiBot by KG Motors. The MiBot by KG Motors is a compact single-seat electric vehicle created to navigate Japan's narrow streets effortlessly. Priced at approximately $7,000, it offers a budget-friendly alternative to traditional cars. Powered by a 7.68 kilowatt-hour LFP battery, the MiBot provides a driving range of up to 100 kilometers or 62 miles and reaches a top speed of 60 kilometers per hour or 37 miles per hour. Its dimensions of 2,490 millimeters in length, 1,130 millimeters in width, and 1,465 millimeters in height allow it to fit into tight urban spaces. Equipped with features such as air conditioning, a touchscreen display, and a 45 kilograms cargo capacity, the MiBot meets everyday commuting needs. Production is scheduled to start in October 2025, with deliveries expected by March 2027.